Today we are going to solve the fifth problem in exercise 3.2. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. The dimensions are nothing but the length and breadth of the garden. We know the perimeter of the garden is 2 into L plus B. So half the perimeter is 2 into L plus B by 2. Now it is given as length is equal to 4 meter more than its width. So L is equal to B plus 4. Take this as first equation. Half the perimeter of the garden is given as 36 meter. So 36 is equal to L plus B. Now substituting the value of L, that is B plus 4, 36 is equal to B plus 4 plus B. 36 is equal to 2B plus 4. 36 minus 4 is equal to 2B. 32 is equal to 2B. 32 by 2 is equal to B. 16 is equal to B. That is B is 16 meter. So now substitute the value of B in the first equation. L is equal to B plus 4. So L is equal to 16 plus 4. That is L is equal to 20 meter. Now we get length is equal to 20 meter and breadth is equal to 16 meter. The sixth question. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed as intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. This is for homework. Here you have to choose any one equation in which it satisfies the condition for these three type of lines. Now seventh question, draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. First, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This can also be written as x minus y is equal to minus 1. Here we are assuming x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. The next equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Here again we assume as x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. Now these two equations are plotted on the graph. The first equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. That is we have plotted the points minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. We got a straight line. The next one 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. We have plotted 0 comma 6 and 4 comma 0. Now these two lines are intersecting at one point 2 comma 3. That means we know that the intersecting lines have unique solution. Now we have to find the vertices of the triangle. Now the triangle, the vertices are minus 1 comma 0, 4 comma 0, 2 comma 3. And they are asked to shade the triangular region along the x-axis. So we have shaded along the x-axis. The next one is exercise 3.3. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. X plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. Take the first one as first equation and the second one as second equation. Now here, since it is substitution method, we should take any one equation and find the value of x or y. Now since I have taken the second equation, because x minus y is equal to 4, when you bring minus y to the other side, you get plus. So I have taken that equation. So I have done x is equal to 4 plus y. Now substitute the value of this x in the first equation. You should never substitute the value of x in the same equation. You should take the other equation and substitute. Now x plus y is equal to 14. Now x is 4 plus y. 4 plus y plus y is equal to 14. 4 plus 2y is equal to 14. 2y is equal to 14 minus 4. Y is equal to 10 by 2. Y is equal to 5. Now substitute the value of 5, that is y is equal to 5 in the first equation. Here we can take any one equation and substitute. X plus y is equal to 14. X plus 5 is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 minus 5. X is equal to 9. Now we got the values of x and y. The second one, s minus t is equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Taken as the first and the second equation. Two equations are given. Now, the second equation is a fraction. So, you take the first equation and from the first equation find what is value of s. So, s is equal to 3 plus t. Since it is substitution method, we have to take one equation and find the value of one variable. Now substitute the value of s in the second equation. That is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. S is 3 plus t. So 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now 3 and 2. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 into 3 plus t plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 into t is equal to 6. Now open the brackets. 2 3s are 6. 2 into t is 2t plus 3t is equal to, now the denominator 6 goes to the other side. 6 into 6 is 36. Now 2t plus 3t is equal to 5t. So 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. 5t is equal to 30. T is equal to 30 by 5. T is equal to 6. Now substitute the value of t, that is t is equal to 6 in any one of the equation. I have taken first equation because that is little bit easier than the other one. So s minus t is equal to 3. So s minus 6 is equal to 3. S is equal to 3 plus 6. S is equal to 9. Now we have got the value of s and t.